Hey guys, welcome back. Today I got a little project I'm working on, something I don't really know how to describe it. It's another curb find. I guess it'd be the best way to describe it. You know me, I don't like to throw things away. If I can fix them, that's what I want to do. It's not that I'm a cheapskate. I don't even have a use for this really. I'll find a use for it if I can fix it, but let me flip you around and show you what we're doing. So right here, I got given to me a pretty nice electric infrared fireplace, and you can see it's dirty. It's been sitting in their garage. It hadn't made it all the way to the curb yet because I beat it there. But what the plan is I'm gonna flip it over. I'll show you that. We're gonna take it apart because I think I know what's wrong. I was told that the heat works, but the fireplace don't. And this is a pretty nice bigger one. I don't know, this is probably upwards of about 400 bucks. So they wanted it to look nice and it didn't function, but we're gonna see if we can make it function. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the back of it. And as you can see, it's kind of dirty. It's got some use on it, but that's okay. It didn't cost us a thing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this back off because what I'm looking for, I believe, is gonna be inside there. So we got Phillips screws all the way around. Looks like about, I don't know, 12 of them. We'll pull all those out, take that cover off, and we'll show you what we find. Okay, so here's what I found. Got the cover off. It's pretty interesting. I've never seen inside one of these before. The first thing that stood out is this is where the heat happens. So you got this big old fancy fireplace for that little guy right there. That's beside the point. What we're looking at today is fixing the light bulbs. Now, I've already taken the bulbs out. So there's two, one right there and one right there. And if you can tell, you can kind of see there that the bulb is blown. They both were blown. So they just, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, I took them out. But this is also kind of neat. So this rod goes across here and it kind of gives you a show of how it works. And then these are tied together with the motor, and those turn. The light comes on, those turn, and that's what gives you the look of the flames. These are just some kind of shiny flame shape, I don't know, aluminum foil-ish kind of stuff. That's kind of neat. So I'm gonna go to the hardware store, pick up a couple bulbs, come back, we'll get them installed and see if it works. Our curb find fireplace. Okay, so the old bulb that was blown is a little bit different. It's the old style. Now, all I could find are these LEDs, and I went to the hardware store here in town, most expensive place. These were $12.50. That's not too bad, but we're going to see if they work now. Even though $12.50 is not that bad, and if this all works, I'll have a really nice fireplace for $12.50. I'm still going to put gloves on because I've been told that if you get oil from your skin on the bulb, it makes it blow out faster. I don't know whether that's true or not, but I had the gloves and I'm going to try it. So I got the bulb. I'm just going to screw it in the socket. Turn it to the right, clockwise, righty-tighty. Give you a quick look. Just like that. Now we'll do the other one. I can't hold the phone. And there you have it. So now I will clean up the mess. I'll clean up all the cobwebs in it and clean it up real good. We'll put the back on it and we'll see what happens. All right, I got it. I got the back all cleaned up, and my camera's having trouble focusing. What I'm gonna do first is before I do any more cleaning, I'm gonna plug it in and we'll see if it works. Guys, I gotta tell you, I kind of feel bad. It's putting out good heat. You can see the fireplace looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it all up and get it taken in the house. Find a good spot for it. I got $12.50 in this dude. $12.50. That's hard to beat. I won't sell it. If anything, I'll give it back to him if I don't use it. But I'm pretty happy with it. Okay guys, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We'd love to have you back for all of our videos. As always, we thank you all for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.